In this video, we're going to explain the concept of rounding hundredths. A great way to demonstrate the concept of rounding hundredths to your pupils is to play the rounding hundredths game. This is a game for 2 players. What you will need are 3 dice, some coloured counters, 1 colour for each player, and each pair of players will need a decimal board like this. Explain to children that the object of the game is to be the first player to make a line of 4 in a row, horizontally, vertically or diagonally on the game board. Each player rolls the dice and the player with the highest number goes first. Tell children that when it is their turn they roll all of the dice to create a 3-digit decimal number by placing a decimal point in front of all the numbers. For example, if they throw a 2, 5 and a 6, then they can make 0.256, 0.652, etc. Explain that when they have made their decimal number, they then round it to the nearest hundredth. To do this, they must look at the last number, the number in the thousandths column. If this number is 5 or over, then they round the number in the hundredth column up. If this number is less than 5, then the number in the hundredth column stays the same. For example, 0.526 rounded to the nearest hundredth would be 0.53 or 53 hundredths, because the last digit, 6, is over 5. 0.652 rounded to the nearest hundredth would be 0.65 or 65 hundredths, because the last digit, 2, is under 5. Tell children that each time they round a number to the nearest hundredths, they place one of their counters on top of that number on the game board. If their opponent's counter is already on that number, they may not place their counter on the game board.